Hey, I'm Brian Van, Sportbiketracker.com, and today we're going to break down the all-new Alpinestars J Cult short riding shoes. $169, available in a couple of different colors. Please understand we don't update videos for pricing changes, only if the product itself has been fully redesigned. This is a casual riding shoe that is definitely got some like skate shoe styled influence for sure. That white sole on the outside. This is full grain leather with a vintage effect to it. I dig it. Caleb's on the fence about it. Who are these right for? These are right for really any rider that's looking for a shoe with this style that is going to work good on the bike, offer a reasonable level of protection, and be comfortable to walk around. This one is built for walking comfort as much as it is for protection on the motorcycle. If you're looking for a more technical short riding shoe, Alpinestars has options in the catalog, tons of them. If you're looking for something that's maybe a little heavier on the style, a little shorter on the technical features, and you dig this, pull the trigger, you're going to like it. How does this fit, and does it run true to size? I wear a 12 US in most common shoes out there. My feet lean a little bit to the wide side. And what's interesting is we've done reviews on all their current short riding shoes this spring. This looks wider. Caleb was like, yeah, this looks wider, and I thought it looked wider too. But comparing this to the others, I wore them all here in the office, I would say that its fit is true to size. The 12 US fit me well. They didn't feel overly wide. They didn't feel overly narrow. They just felt like kind of right in the middle. They definitely felt comfortable walking around in. I'd say these feel a little bit heavier than some of the other riding shoes that they have. The more technical ones, those seem to be a little bit lighter. Full lace-up design, padded tongue. If you look at the bottom of the sole here, the wider sole too, that can be better, more stability for walking around, right? Your foot's just firmly planted on the ground. So if you're looking for that shoe where you're going to spend more time off the bike, definitely more time off the bike, this could be a solid option. The construction is fantastic. Give you a look at the internal insole here. It's the same one they're using in the rest of the shoes, and that really kind of indicates for me that the width is pretty standardized. This works to kind of ventilate and move air around inside the shoe itself. Full grain leather upper, so you have a lot of abrasion resistance. There is some reinforcement up here at the very tip of the toe box. As you get to the sides, there's far less. You get to the heel, there is a significant amount of reinforcement here. See the back portion of the shoe? Some fabric here, maybe a microfiber, a little different styling, gives it some nice contrast. Internally, there is reinforcement that makes this, crush resistant. You can kind of see here, I'm trying to compress that and I can't, where if you took like a DC skate shoe or something and pressed on it like that, that thing will just fold right in half. So there are some technical features to enhance the protection of the boot. All in all, what do I think? I like it. If you like the styling of this, this is what you're looking for. Alpinestars does a great job with their moto footwear. This would also make, for a lot of people, a solid casual shoe to walk around in as well. This is the Alpinestars J Cult short riding shoe.